Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about Alpecin Grey Attack, strongest formula against gray hair. So as you can see here, it looks good and amazing that will work against gray hair, but we need to dig deep about this product. So when we go to scam detector, it has an average score. When you go to scam advisor, it has a good trust score of 96. When you go to who's.com, the website registered in 2001, so it's really old, so it's legit. And when we go to Amazon to show the reviews, it has good reviews. Some are bad, but overall are good reviews. So, guys, maybe I will recommend you just buy, for example, one bottle, try it. If it has an effect on your hair, then go buy another one and another one. But if it doesn't help you with gray hair, then don't buy another bottle. Okay, guys, thank you and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.